So today with our vegetables in disguise recipe, we're going to be making cheesy green beans. So first you want to cut the ends off the green beans and then cut them in about 1-inch length. Spray some oil on the pan and then just distribute the green beans evenly on the pan. You're going to want 2 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese, or any cheese you like. I just happen to like pepper jack cheese, so I'm using that instead. 1/4 cup of olive oil with salt and pepper, and 4 cloves of crushed garlic or 1 teaspoon of powdered garlic. And so I'm setting the oven to 425 and just drizzling the garlic oil on the green beans. Just distributing them evenly. And you can always put more garlic on if you'd like. I love garlic, so sometimes I'll even double it, as long as I'm not working the next day. Breathe in my patient's face with garlic breath. And then sprinkle the Parmesan cheese on. And then pop them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, just until they're browned. You're roasting them. So it's been about 20 minutes. I just want to make sure the green beans are roasted, maybe a little bit brown is what you're looking for. Sprinkle the cheese on top. Try to make it even. Set the oven to a high broil. And then put the green beans in for another 5 minutes. And the green beans are finished. And voila! Cheese is nicely brown. We will be launching a new YouTube video every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. and I'll be available for any questions you have or suggestions for future videos.